They call it the fat killer, because it eliminates abdominal fat in just 8 days. Many times we dream of having that ideal body, with an adequate weight, and that not even a centimeter of body fat is noticed. We want to have a flat abdomen and legs that are in accordance with our size, not that they are fatter than normal. What we sometimes do not think is that Mother Nature itself gives us elements that make us good for this type of problem. As we ignore, we undergo expensive treatments and involve many chemicals that are not so ideal for our body. Following this idea, in this video we are going to present 2 potential ingredients that will make you lose that unwanted fat that has made your home in your body. Lemon and chia seed, when combined in shakes, can help us eradicate fat. Pay attention. The lemon and chia shake and its benefits. Lemon is an excellent fat scrubber and is characterized by having very few calories. Also acts as an antiviral, so it helps us combat any type of cold. It also helps to stay hydrated because of its high fiber content, which helps to eliminate toxins. For its part, chia is a small seed that is naturally antioxidant and very rich in fiber. Imagine then the great benefits that can bring to your body if you join these 2 elements. The results will surprise you. The recipe, here we leave it. Ingredients: 1 glass and a half of water, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 lemon's juice, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Method of preparation: 1. First of all, you must put to hydrate this spoon of chia. This will be in water, so that the same one can unfold the fiber that contains. 2. About an hour later you will proceed to mix the glass and a half of water, lemon juice and chia seeds. You can simply remove it or also use the blender, depending on your taste. 3. After this, your shake will be ready to consume. Take it every morning on fasting and you will see prompt changes in your body.